God fucking damn it. I have no idea how long it's taking me to find a way out of this fucking ship. Did I make a wrong turn or something? I guess I gotta keep looking around. I can't just give up at this moment. I don't wanna be trapped in this place any longer. Is this a way out? Oh. Hey kid.
Hey, I didn't know you were exploring too. You don't know where we are, do you?
No shit, Sherlock. I've been wandering around for about an hour right now. We must get back to the core.
Yeah, you're probably right. Wait, did you feel that?
Feel what? Holy fucking shit.
Cool.
This cannot be happening right now. I have better things to do. Oh fuck, short green Asian. What the fuck is that smell?
Cows? We got cows!
That was disgusting.
You gotta help me get out. Oh my god, Chica!
What kind of garbage disposal is this? That Asian faggot brought friends. Wait, I hear something. It's coming across the hallway.
All you ever do is call me fat on the fucking thing, God!
Let me see if I can figure something out.
Did that bitch just leave me?
Now I'm gonna make you dance, get your chance. Yeah, boy, shake that ass.
Oh fuck. Fucking shit. Am I drunk again? Why am I falling and I can't get up? Oh shit. Fuck. Aw shit. That fucking hurt. And where the fuck am I now?
Hey, are you okay? Skin, knee, or anything like that?
Every fucking bone in my body is crippled and I'm losing blood fast. Yes, I am okay, you bitch.
I'm sorry, okay? How was I supposed to know this would happen?
I don't wanna argue right now. My head already hurts from that fall.
You really must have hit your head. Unless you're Captain Cosmos and have a rocket pack we can use, that's not happening.
Yeah, thanks for the compliment, but we don't have much time.
I'll try and find a way to help you get out of there. Otherwise, see you back at the core.
Okay then, now where do I go from here?
Oops, I mean girl, girl. Girl, you know you're my world. Alright, now lose it.